When recent photos of Kelly Osbourne started spreading across the internet, fans around the world could hardly believe their eyes. The once rebellious reality TV star, famous for her colorful hair, bold personality, and chaotic rock star upbringing, suddenly appeared completely transformed. Her face looked slimmer, her style looked elegant and polished, and the confidence she carried seemed stronger than ever before. But what truly surprised people wasn't just her dramatic physical transformation. It was the completely new life she seemed to be living. Because today, Kelly Osbourne is no longer just the outspoken daughter of a rock legend. She is now a mother, a media personality, and a woman living a surprisingly luxurious and balanced lifestyle. And when you take a closer look at her life today, the story becomes even more fascinating. These days, Kelly Osbourne's lifestyle looks very different from the chaotic reality TV days that first made her famous. Instead of constant headlines and wild celebrity parties, her daily life now revolves around something far more meaningful: family. In 2022, Kelly welcomed her first child with musician Sid Wilson, the energetic DJ from the metal band Slipknot. Becoming a mother completely changed her priorities. Friends close to her say motherhood gave Kelly a new sense of stability and purpose that she had been searching for years. Her social media now shows glimpses of a calmer life, spending time with her son, enjoying family gatherings, and focusing on health and wellness. But behind this quieter lifestyle, Kelly still enjoys the privileges that come with growing up in one of the most famous families in rock history. After more than 2 decades in the entertainment industry, Kelly Osbourne has built an impressive fortune of her own. Today, her estimated net worth is believed to be around $16 million. Their wealth comes from multiple sources: television appearances, fashion commentary, brand partnerships, music projects. In years of reality TV fame, she gained massive recognition as a host and fashion critic on shows like Fashion Police, where her bold opinions and unique style made her a standout personality. Combined with the massive success of the family reality show, The Osbournes, Kelly built a career that extended far beyond simply being the daughter of a celebrity. Today, her wealth allows her to live comfortably while focusing on her family and personal projects. But perhaps the most talked about change in Kelly's life is her physical transformation. Several years ago, photos of Kelly Osbourne began circulating online that shocked fans across the world. She looked almost like a completely different person. After years of struggling with weight and body image criticism from the media, Kelly revealed that she had lost around 85 pounds. The transformation quickly became one of the most talked about celebrity changes on the internet. But according to Kelly, the journey wasn't about impressing critics. It was about improving her health. She began focusing on a healthier lifestyle, making changes to her diet, prioritizing fitness, and working on her mental well-being. And for the first time in many years, Kelly finally felt comfortable in her own skin. But to truly understand Kelly Osbourne's journey, you have to understand the unusual world she grew up in. Her father is the legendary rock icon, Ozzy Osbourne, the frontman of the pioneering heavy metal band, Black Sabbath. Her mother, Sharon Osbourne, became one of the most powerful and recognizable managers in the music industry. Growing up in that environment meant that Kelly's childhood was filled with world tours, backstage chaos, and constant media attention. But the entire world truly discovered the Osbourne family in 2002, when MTV launched the reality series, The Osbournes. The show quickly became a global phenomenon, and suddenly, millions of viewers were watching Kelly Osbourne grow up on television. While fame brought opportunities, it also brought enormous pressure. Kelly faced the constant criticism about her appearance, her behavior, and her personal life. Growing up in front of millions of viewers made every mistake feel magnified. Over the years, she openly spoke about struggles with addiction and the emotional challenges of living under constant public scrutiny. But those difficult years eventually became the motivation for change. Today, Kelly Osbourne's life tells a very different story. She is no longer the rebellious teenager viewers once saw on reality television. Instead, she is a mother, a media personality, and someone who has rebuilt her life after years of personal struggles. Her transformation, both physical and emotional, shows how dramatically a person's life can change. From rock star chaos to motherhood and stability. Kelly Osbourne's story is proof that even the most unpredictable journeys can lead to a powerful new beginning.